Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 10 in the 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this fan brush gradient tree. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are all from Holo Taco. For my base color, I'll be using Monstera, and then for the accent nails, I'll be fan brushing with Circuit Breaker, Full Charge, Green Taffy, and Lost in the Woods. And on the non-accent nails, I'll be topping Monstera with Linear Holo Taco. For this fan brush tree, I have a small lid, and I'm actually going to lay out all of the colors before I start, and then I'll be getting just a little bit of each one with the fan brush and applying it onto my nail at an angle. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I think this may actually be my favorite so far in this year's 12 Days of Christmas, and it's one of the few manicures that I've done during this accent nail theme where I actually am kind of sad that I'm not doing a full manicure of it. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate the linear over Monstera, as well as the contrast between the hollow trees and the plain cream base. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, as well as day 9, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.